All right, y'all. Pardon the mess in the background. I plan on doing laundry soon or whatever. So yeah, um, I'm coming with at y'all with a GLD unboxing. Um, I went ahead and like made sure like I had everything. So I guess I can mimic the process for y'all. I didn't like mess with anything as far as like trying it on and all that. So both of my items came in this packaging. So yeah, both came in here. So the reason why I opened up everything was because when I opened it, I got this card and then this. So I had two items, and I was like, oh crap, they only had one package or like leather pouch. And then I opened the leather pouch, and then what I ordered was in there. So a silver cuff and a tennis chain. So this is going to be a quick review. I'm not going to try anything on because I have things I need to do with my day. Um, so I got a 20 millimeter tennis chain, not 20 millimeter, 20 inch, 5 millimeters wide. So let me see. So 5 millimeters wide. And the reason why I went with this size and length was because I know I wanted to get up to a choker, but it makes sense to get the thicker chain at a 20-inch length because 20 inches is not choker length, so 18 inches is. So I made sure to get the 5 millimeter at 20 inches. So if I liked what I saw with the quality of it, I can get a 18-inch 3 millimeter. And it just makes sense if you want to wear two chains. So yeah, I am very what's it called, impressed, because I am used to like seeing cheap diamonds. I don't buy cheap diamonds. That's like to wear, but I'm just used to seeing it. And like I feel like growing up now, it's more socially acceptable to wear like unreal diamonds as far as the quality of them. Like this looks really good. So yeah, like I still kind of see it as like some this versus seeing somebody with a gold chain on, like like a gold chain. Oh, that's real, that's authentic. But you see this, you're like, either they're working for Pablo Escobar at Walmart or they stole that or something. Yeah, but yeah, it's more socially acceptable since companies like GLD and like a whole bunch of other companies are coming out with very quality lab made diamonds. And I don't have a problem with lab made. Like, if I had a wedding ring, I wouldn't be mad if it was lab made. Like, I don't know who said a long time ago that people have to have a rock that's been formed in the Earth's crust, and we want to make that expensive, if y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so this is a silver cuff. And the reason why I didn't get like gold jewelry, I think silver, I'm starting to notice like I like the way silver looks. Like, if you see okay, like I just picture a man with a whole bunch of gold on. I don't know why, but now I think of a pimp. Like, it's like not corny, but kind of corny to me if I see like somebody with like a whole bunch of gold on. But silver is just very clean. And there's actually a phenomenon or like a thing called golden handcuffs or a golden cuff or whatever. It's basically when people make a lot of money, but they can't quit their job because they can't afford, to keep the payments up, and like they're tied or they're handcuffed to their job to keep up with their lifestyle. So I got a silver cuff, and there's no such thing as the silver handcuffs. But yeah, so there's the logo right there, and then I don't know if you can see it. It looked like a stud is missing. It's not missing. It's just like a steel divot because it's on the same thing on the other side. Oh, I had to sneeze. Sorry. Let me see if I can figure out. Yeah, I don't know how to work the opening mechanism. So I'm gonna just show y'all. So I got a 7-inch one, And basically 7 inches meaning like I have little wrists, and like, yeah. So you got to figure out what wrist size you are. I recommend you buying a tape measure before, and you know, using the tape measure to measure your wrist size. But yeah. And then the card, I put the sticker back on to make it look like it hasn't been open, and it's just GLD with a lifetime guarantee and authenticity. So yeah. And I didn't like mean to get these together as far as like, oh, I want to rock them together. I just knew like the first time I saw these were out, I was like, oh my god, I need to get one. And then I saw that I've always wanted to review one of these on my channel, so I made sure to get one. And yeah. And it was a buy one get one free. So I think I bought this first, and this was knocked off. Let me see if I can. I think the receipt is over there. Let me see if I can find the receipt. You know what? I don't even want to expose my messy bed to y'all, so I don't want to get roasted. But yeah, so I think it was $219, meaning like something. It was like almost $500 maybe for both of these. And then when it was buy one get one free, I think this one free. So yeah. Hopefully I didn't say buy one get one half off earlier. It was buy one get one free. So yeah. Super random. Hopefully y'all like it. Hit me up if you have any questions. I can do like a try on, but just not today. I need to do some deep cleaning in my room. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. See you.